Welcome viewers, you're watching my channel BioHub and I'm your facilitator Dr. Seema Sharma. In this video, you're going to learn how we can make the slide of stomata and observe it under the microscope. So what all you require to carry out this experiment, let me tell you that we need a freshly plucked leaf like this one. This is leaf of Colenchu. We need one slide. We need cover slip, this one. We need water, one dropper, compound microscope to observe the slide, one pair of scissors, one plate, and you can also use dye. Here in this case, I am going to use red dye, it's saffronin. Now coming to the step 1, take freshly plucked leaf. Now we have to take out a very thin peel of this succulent leaf. So for that, what you have to do, please observe carefully. You have to just tear it up to take out a thin sheet. It's not there, just discard it. Try once again. It's not there. See. In third try, I could able to take out this thin peel, and this is what we have to observe under the microscope to observe the stomata. This thin peel will contain numerous stomata. So how you have to proceed? Step 1, put 1 drop of water, keep this thin peel over it like I have kept. Now this is a too big peel to observe under microscope because you have to put a cover slip also. So I am going to use this blade. I am cutting it. Remember students, it's only this transparent thin peel in which you will be able to observe the stomata. This thick peel, if you're going to observe this under the microscope, you're not going to see anything, because whatever you want to see under the microscope, light should pass through that. Only then you will be able to see what all is there in that or the structure which you have to observe. Now this thing, this whole leaf peel is also more than what we want to keep under the cover slip. So I am cutting it little further, putting 1 drop of water. Remember one thing, that you don't have to dehydrate the peel. It should be flooded with water. Now first thing is to observe it under the microscope, and for that you have to adjust the microscope. For adjusting the microscope, first you place this peel which is present on this glass slide on this stage. To keep it static, just place the clips over here, and then with the help of find this coarse focus, by rotating this coarse focus, you will focus the slide, and then to observe it clearly, you have to rotate this fine focus of the compound microscope, and then the image of what all is there under in that thin peel, it will be more clear. So now we are going to observe this thin peel under the microscope, and for that, first thing is to set the microscope in a position that maximum of light can pass through it. So for that, I am adjusting the light. So now we are going to observe that thin peel of Colencho leaf under the microscope, and here you can see there are numerous stomata. They are arranged randomly on this thin peel. Epidermal cells are also very clear. Now I am going to put one stain which is called saffronin to make the internal detail of these stomata little more clear. So here you can see I've added a little bit of saffron in. It has given a reddish tinge, but the internal detail is also very clear in this video. So this is how you can make the slide of stomata. I hope now you know the complete procedural detail of making slide of stomata. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned to BioHub. Bye bye.